Today, we're checking out 20 amazing tools that are truly on another level. From clever designs to incredible power and precision, these tools make tough jobs look surprisingly easy. Let's see what makes them so impressive. Meet your new power buddy. This 180-watt beast spins from 8,000 to a wild 35,000 revolutions per minute. 6 speeds, 0 limits. Grab the flexible shaft and dive into 174 accessories built for grinding, polishing, engraving, cutting, and drilling. Whatever your DIY dream is, this little monster makes it happen. Say goodbye to wobbly cuts. The old-school fence system stretches your table saw fence to a rock-solid 46 inches. Rigid aluminum body? Check. 3 fence modes? Check. Built-in T-tracks and tool-free mounting? Double check. Long boards, big sheets? Nothing rattles this beast. Straight cuts every single time. Branches don't stand a chance. The powerful electric pruning shears pack razor-sharp SK5 blades and a beastly 1,000-watt brushless motor, slicing through branches up to 52 millimeters like butter. Dual 21-volt batteries keep you powered up, while adjustable widths and smart safety controls make every cut sharp, fast, and fearless. Big lawn? Steep slope? No problem. The Ryobi 36-volt HP brushless mower powers through with rear-wheel drive and turbo boost for serious muscle. Dual battery ports keep you rolling, crosscut blades shred with precision, and 10-position height control plus 3-in-1 modes give you total command, every single mow. Lifting heavy stuff just got superhero easy. The BEYCEPS handles up to 400 pounds with one-handed precision control. No straining, no struggling. Its ergonomic grip and non-marring pads protect every surface, making cabinets, doors, windows, flooring, and appliances glide into place like magic. Installation day just got fun. Wood, meet your match. The HLC82 Cordless Planer shaves through boards with 2.5mm chip removal and a hefty 25mm rebate depth. Dual extraction channels keep dust clear for non-stop cutting action. Chamfering beams, cutting rabbets, planing wide boards. This cordless beast handles it all. No cord, no limits. The old-school coping sled securely guides workpieces on router tables for precise end-grain cuts. Its durable phenolic base, toggle clamp, padded foot, and sacrificial fence provide stability, reduce tear out, protect surfaces, and improve safety when creating professional joinery. The Shepherd Compact 8-ton log splitter delivers 7.95 tons of splitting force for logs up to 1,070 millimeters long and 350 millimeters wide. Its powerful 3,150-watt motor, 2 working heights, sturdy frame, transport wheels, and 2-hand safety operation provide efficient, secure firewood processing. One tool, endless power. The total cordless, oscillating multi-tool cuts, scrapes, and sands like a champ. Its 20-volt battery revs from 5,000 to a blazing 20,000 revolutions per minute, with a precise 3.2-degree oscillation angle and 6 settings dialed in. Whatever the job, this multi-tool crushes it. No cord, no compromise. The cordless modular edge router delivers precise trimming, chamfering, and detailed edge work. Its wide, stable base and micro-adjustable depth control provide consistent, accurate results, while the cordless design offers excellent portability for demanding job sites. Say goodbye to tangled hose drama. The Gardena hose box RollUp reels your hose back in like magic. Smooth, automatic, effortless. Its sleek wall-mounted design keeps everything neat, tidy, and tangle-free. No more wrestling, no more mess. Just grab, water, and watch it roll itself away. Gardening made ridiculously easy. The Vario Pro adjustable sanding pad provides flexible sanding with adjustable positioning for different surfaces and applications. Its versatile design improves control and access around edges, curves, and difficult areas, delivering smooth, consistent finishes with greater precision. The 20-inch chainsaw delivers powerful cutting performance for large trees up to 500 millimeters in diameter. Its high-torque motor, automatic oiling, bucking spikes, secure bar system, and mechanical brake provide efficient, controlled cutting without petrol or exhaust fumes. Precision meets pure satisfaction. Ultra-Shear core box. Bits deliver razor-sharp tips for buttery smooth cuts, crisp details, and way less sanding. Choose from 3/4 of an inch, 5/8 of an inch, 1/2 of an inch, or 3/8 of an inch sizes, perfect for furniture, decorative molding, elegant lettering, and standout sign making. Every cut looks flawless. Every project feels effortless. The powerful 1/2-inch impact wrench delivers up to 1,200 Newton-meters of breakaway torque with a powerful brushless motor. 4 operating modes, variable speed control, dual 4.0 amp-hour batteries, and bidirectional operation provide versatile performance for automotive and construction applications. The 350-amp multi-process welder supports synergic, manual, and pulsed MIG, plus MMA and DC lift TIG welding. Its digital controls, thermal protection, rolling chassis, and versatile operating modes make it ideal for fabrication, maintenance, and demanding industrial applications. The Global Auto Ride-On Floor Scrubber delivers powerful heavy-duty cleaning with a 34-inch cleaning path and coverage up to 60,170 square feet per hour. Its large tanks, 200 RPM brush motor, durable housing, 3 battery system, and 4.5-hour runtime provide efficient, reliable performance. The drill press fence upgrades your drill press with a larger work surface, precise positioning, dust collection, and versatile clamping tracks. Its durable aluminum construction and integrated stop blocks improve accuracy, repeatability, safety, and efficiency for woodworking and batch drilling. Banding just got a serious speed boost. The Tru-Lokt Buckle slashes installation time by 50% with automatic tension indication and zero backwinding hassle. Retained force blasts past 200 pounds for rock-solid holds, and it plays nice with your existing banding tools. Faster, stronger, smarter, banding done right. Turn your drill into a banding powerhouse. This drill accessory banding tool delivers faster, tighter bands using standard 18-volt drills. Adjustable torque locks in consistent tension every time, while the hands-free gripper and slick nose-only rollover design keep bands tight, secure, and damage-free. Banding simplified and supercharged. That's it for these 20 incredible tools. Some are clever, some are powerful, and some are just downright impressive. Which one would you want in your workshop? Let us know and subscribe for more amazing tools.